Okay, so today we're gonna be playing PowerDrillMassacre, and
I can't
this is supposed to be really scary. All right, let's just do normal mode. Okay, this is supposed to be really scary. Yeah, I can't see you. Oh, hold on. I wasn't ready. Okay, so we have to find 3 keys. Oh, Jesus Louises.
I'm too scared for this, guys.
Stay with me.
Wait, where are you?
I'm back here.
I don't know where you are.
I'm right here.
I know, I'm behind you.
Oh God! I can't see!
That's what he looks like.
I
Oh my gosh. Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm alive.
Did you die?
No.
You're alive? I just ran for my life.
Oh my God, this is so scary.
Is this scary? I see you.
Oh
I
God.
see you. I'm behind you.
Where did he come from?
Here, I'm him. I don't know, but I saw him.
Where are we? Are we
I
in like
saw
an
you,
electrical factory?
And then I ran. I don't even know where we are because it's way too dark for me to even see. It didn't for me, I don't.
Oh, go upstairs, go upstairs. 3 locks with splotches of paint. Blue, green, and red.
Escape! It's an escape! Oh,
It's,
I need 3
we have to
keys.
have 3 locks.
Help me.
Oh jeez, this way. Downstairs.
No, it's like pitch black even with the flashlight.
I know, I hate this.
I can't see anything. I'm freaking out.
I can't either. I think I just ran into a dead end. Yeah, I died.
I found a key.
You did? Oh my gosh. Why was I screaming like that?
Game over. I'm dead.
Ha 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 ha.
I scared myself. I just
All
died
right.
there.
Let's do it again.
The next game is in 10 seconds. That was scary.
Game on.
Stay together, okay? I won't be scared. Stay together. I'll try not to.
Okay. Where'd you find the first key?
I have no idea. Oh, wait for me.
What did it look like?
Where did you go?
What did it look like?
It was like on a table like that. And it was kind of just like something you could grab. It said something like, you can grab this or pick up. It was somewhere close to like where the upstairs and the downstairs was. Wait, diamond?
Game over.
Because she was in my way. You got in my way. You got in my way, so I couldn't run. Can you hear me?
I'm starting.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Game
Here we go.
on.
Okay.
Wait for me.
We gotta turn this corner and then run. How about you go down there first? I found a key. I found a key over here. Hey, where are you?
I don't know where are you?
Here. Look, over here. There's a key right here. I don't know. I got it. I don't know if you did, but
Wait, where is it?
it's over here. Back here. Behind you. I think it grabs it for all of us.
I already have one. So
Let's go in here.
I think it's the jump scare. Like, it just scares you.
I know, just him being there scares you. The fact that this is in Rec Room is so crazy to me. Hi, where are you?
Okay.
I can't see.
I can't see you at all.
Nope, not going in there. Maybe
He's screaming! Uh-oh.
No, I'm stuck! Oh my god! No!
That scared me. He got me so quickly.
This game is so scary. Oh my god!
Okay. Bye.
Oh my gosh, that was scary. Bye.